Hello everyone, I'm Gabrielle and I'm over here today at Oxmoor Chrysler. I have Ben here with me. So Ben's going to go over some information on a 2022, this is the Jeep Wrangler. This is the high altitude, it's the 4xe. So Ben, talk a little bit about this one.
Yeah, absolutely. So like Gabby had said, this is our hybrid model Jeep Wrangler. You can automatically tell, first of all, with the blue tow hooks right up front there. And then moving on to the side, you'll also notice we have the charging port right here. Now this works with either a level 1 charger, which is just your standard 110 volt outlet at your home, also a level 2 charger as well, which you'll see more commonly when you're out traveling, and then you can also get it installed in your garage or home as well. Moving on to the interior, we've got this beautiful quilted leather interior, the lighter color. It does have the Sky One Touch top, so by far the easiest top to give you open air access. Just one click of the button, the top rolls back, and then the back windows come off. The doors come off. This one is equipped with all of your advanced safety features from blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, all that good stuff as well. And then of course, since it is a hybrid, you do have your fuel tank here in the back. And then just like all of our other Wranglers, 4x4, this one is equipped with your premium Alpine stereo system. So you've got your subwoofer in the back. Now, whenever you get a 4xe, which by the way, the MPGe or the miles per gallon equivalent is 49 miles MPGe. But whenever you purchase a hybrid, you also automatically get your level 1 charger, which again, like I said, just plugs up to any normal outlet in your home.
All right, Ben, thank you so much for going over all of that information.
Of course.
All right, you all, if you have any questions, if you'd like to stop in, take a look at it while it's here, let us know. All of our contact info is listed right here. Thanks you all for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.